Nyakofa banede ye the best ye kum. Ye pu yempo ye the best ye kum because Serena doctor can the way our constitution is being made and a home to yefa from the time being from 92 ABC Sabre no. Anytime the executive in the assembly and they have a smooth way of doing their things. It's just that this government and this era yenya parliament a hang parliament if I should say ama enema intiming call as smooth as they want. But even that you levy move change you know and I go through. Now see the Rafael can say parliament, you know, I hold on with their debates and all that. And at the end of the day, I'm Ghana for who say. The PPP, yeah, can I say, we need to do a review of our constitution from 1992. ABC Sabri, and Yama Bibri, Akoso Anoma, and who says, I name away the coin for so no, MYN. Yet, party 10 years in it, from 2012 to 2022. You name 5 key constitutional review things like can still the government of the day is not doing it. The NDC omo ntimi anya ho hwe. Yenya MPP so omo timo a omo kosum no ma jemu ato. The doc can you catch say they as if they have never been in power before. Oka say the Supreme Court, you know, the way the constitution is and they give the president the power to appoint. And no appoint and he say so akra na your opposition, you know. So when you now they qua because you think that it is the president that appointed these people until the Wakrano who need confidence in it because they're quite inquisition. So now because your cases are government against government ye believe say as the ordinary citizen o kwa asem we dey can be ama obekọ baba na can be ama yesi mra ne say untimi nya ho hwe. It tells you say ade na wo say system by system no the people now wo ka say ngo system no wo nya that opportunity ni bi wanye ho hwe. This is the hypocrisy about this MPP NDC ade aya na ehayen because you got the opportunity obey a president obey a government. We have had Atamils, we have had John Mahama. And if you wanted to do something about this particular thing Amoka and this here, you could have done it. But man, yeah. And now be bad so baby you are taking the same route now now. Now okay say I was saying here now you expect another to change it. He won't because it is going to favor him. Now no the kind of mind that NDC MPP anywhere my imuhan. Now on the levy, you know. Me but now we interview you ne John Kuma Ekasai deputy finance minister. Now ka che ne say brebe mo ombra studio na ni din komo. Now me pese we team mo yes adwuma we say. Or say the 1.75 and then per the debates and other arguments and all that yatiso at about 1.5. Me who say yatiso. I want to be more educated on it. Yeah, MTN, no, and I said the telcos has reduced from 1 to 0.75.
Yeah.
0.75, no, what they call 1.5 no one. You been 2.25. And yes, sir. Now before say you live in Ebebano. So oko send 1,000 you better 10. O send 2,000 10 Ghana cedis. It was capped. But this new system, no, it is not capped. Anameboa. It is always send 3,000. On 10 cedis no bio. If it was to be 1% now, you see an 2.5. Now listen, since our 2.5 no say we send 3,000. You're betting 2.5 of the 3,000.
Okay.
Talk about your analogy, no. You're betting 2.5 of the 3,000. Now 0.75 goes to the telcos and 1.75 goes to the government. Now if you take 0.75 of 3,000, it is not 10 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
If I try to make sure I say, it is not 10 Ghana cedis. So the government is making the telcos rich. It's very simple. Me person with talk to the finance ministry.
Yeah.
Omo man is asema making. Now in that way, no. So say, what you had so that what is so or market 0.75. And come baby because on the other can you one no. What is so they call 0.75 well agreed. The cap na nanka on the big 10 cities no. And no moment has been taken away. And they say who send 5,000 he's going to take 0.75 or 5,000. Now 0.75 or 5,000, any 10 cities I pay. And you pay. So some decision be because the government wants his way out. At all costs, the coin be as no or not the 1.5 now. And another he levy no was a banner and no one was ever. It's quite before so obinyana no one obesunya. Ne kobasa na why na man ho kire no. Ye timemufo na ye ato abade ama on ye de tax ni tu aka say hwe na boy 90 million de man ni no. Ube matter kosu no take kosu so wo man mu hadom ni. Ni nyina foreigners dia. You know it. It's at the end of the day, no, that's scanner no better side ako. Na yet ya, na ye we ensa. Oh, na ekobasa emwa.
Okay.
Emwa. Now, for the passage of the E11, no.
E11.
Said that make I say, the way it went through. Yes, it's a binum ambulance just say they were bent on doing it. And I knew it was going to happen. But yen sheni maybe. Ye de yana eba bi twemako. And I be twemu akwi. Now the NDC is saying, when they come to power in 2025, they are going to scrap it away. And no, beside doctor say, and 70 be on my young quara will crow him. On my way yet, young quara. 77, ye ni bibia crying, you are again kakra. Yet the crewman catcher say, or mobile be a one-time premium for health insurance. What happened? I didn't see. Oh. Boshake say no obi ye bibi wo no mo a unim say ye tax to GDP. Sub-Saharan African ye dey na wo form. When they were in power, what did they do about it? Sometimes say analogy bi ni can say be about Quansah so yimbu man na. Let's be factual, let's be real. Let's tell the truth. Again no mo ye fa ho. Anyom no go fa special import levy buy. E besi ne e buy special import levy no obi etime ye free honom. Go and check on it. It is still there. Oh, it's in there. So obi akofa sa kodiewu so de you abesa ye koma ma ye gine ho enje. Ne ya na ba. Me kansem ti se de mo de mo ye angels bia Madrid for white angels. Mo de mo dogana to the extent that wo ba ya obeyi levy na free honum. Kofi ye to aba enesesa na PPP aba na say NDC ba or say any other party be abeto so a NDC nkoa de omo ka che say be omo yi levy free honum a Kofi en kontompo de tie en kontompo ni say enya de a sa niema we omo akeka nsem bebre omo ka so mbo me omo ntimi anye ana we no so it has increased the tax revenue na ye no enti wo bi increase revenue amawa wanya na ya ugina ho no mo keka ne se etoto ayampia egeka na gese ehu se ye se wo de man. It's not like that. Na momu no de o se ye dwen ho a ye hu ne se ye nhwehwe se sika ya o mo bagi adwuma on pese o mo de sika ne ye no. Is that going to be the reality? There are fair here catch say teacher ni na you aka 2000 na pese we sit down na ukoto 70 ni anwa 200 cedis every month bia na be na be sit down na wi no ti sansam we na wote wa wakeka ne say no no nim omo position no no mu nim ni sana Dr. Bagumi ate wa na o catch say agege bosian hu de mfa ye na omo de omo nje bosian na omo nye hwe na onim say sa Ghana your revenue agege nyina is about 20 billion or whatever revenue that we get no just say de kwakusia wo wa na de akoje bosian. No names asem no. But they said many doctor because they keep on saying those things now say so when that's moment can there. Yeah. Meant to about the same thing. And even worse of it. I didn't see that Mohagana mine sir. MPP NDC. Why?
Okay.
And you go yeah can yes I'm say we stand on one thing. You review constitution. You review constitution now. Sir Article 71 holders Raffle can say we saying omo call friends say committee cabinet finance minister committee cabinet wakwakoye review bi no mo say 30% cut omo salaries ni expenditures on be cutting about 30%. Near we say it be boy because we are in hardship. Mahama nyesa ade we bi. Mahama wan cut
10% of
and the kosi say
some do see cheap compounds.
E kosi say I'm not saying say omo ntimi omo discount na whatever but at the end of the day no omo cut ye no ene da won ti man mu a e ka na me ne ye no enti say wonim say ye ma obi 10,000 and I am be full coupon. So on fan call you month away. Now, friends, Joy Newsfire, Laddie was complaining about something that you would hear a condition 4x4 necessary. What team na driver team because and just and cannot and yanishi. But Jomama cut it 10%. What about cut it and that's how we go forever. Yatiso. This mobile pay structure saying ye no. I didn't know be MP within 2 years. No one yana what time. Ubisa was mbia e kufi yentime misa. Obi a the teacher, obi a doctor will grow him over 5-10 years. If you dan a dan sie kra na den. But we call minister within 2 years. No was if you be miensa. Ne cast bear 10. Ne just nema ye within government. Nasa ubara beka che say o anu chera benti no. Where you chat 30%, where you chat 10%. You dey hear.
Okay.
Cut it away.
Thank you.
Tete so me ehunu sa ade na wo ye no. Oh yeah, me ehunu say wo go ye o man year for all of us. But on young Saturday in Kasa 1 year, 8 months. No de went so. Yeah, but Ubaji levy. As you see how they share Congo Bajiji. Now you just can't we never tell we are not. Was I for 30%? No, so and yet date now. I don't know 11 on Bajan or my own date. So 11 year for 1 year. Now say be in your scanning the year investment. I be boy about the year. But there's no date of the year. But expenditure. Who salaries ni sani man akọ tin there. I know they want my date. It is a living scan be good. You go back and enjoy it. Then I dream bonny ngasa. It was MPP for it.
Ma me da wase. Quansah PPP regional chairman akoma 87.9 FM. Atefo amutie yen mo betimi mo hwe yen so live on Onua TV.